In this video, we will show how the Fibonacci and RSI indicator work, created by CD, Forex and Robots. The indicator is a combination of Fibonacci and RSI indicators. Every time the price touches one of the Fibonacci levels and the RSI condition is met, an audible alert and a text alert are generated. The indicator only has 4 configurable parameters. The parameter number of candles is the number of candles that will be calculated for the indicator. If you set it to 20, the indicator will show Fibonacci for the last 20 candles. The period of the candles will depend on the time period of the chart. The sound signal parameter. If you want the indicator to notify you that the conditions are met using an audible indication, set this parameter to 1. If you don't want sound signals, set this parameter to 0. The RSI upper and RSI lower parameters indicate the limits for the RSI. The standard RSI values are 70 for the upper limit and 30 for the lower limit. You can use higher and lower values in order to obtain the best results. Use your experience, demo test, and your investor profile in order to find the optimal values for you. If you decide to buy using the indicator signal, a standard profile is to use the next Fibonacci levels. Numerical values are displayed in the upper left of the graph window. In the same way, if you sell, you can use the next stop loss and profit. Use your experience, demo test, and your investor profile in order to find the optimal take profit and stop loss for you. You can download the demo version free. You can buy this indicator on my Facebook. Send me an email or a message on Facebook. You can also find it in the MQL5 community store. All buys include all updates free. I let you all the links in the description. In CD Forex and Robots, we give you thanks. In this video,